Hello and welcome to another kind of studio vlog with me, Lucy from Lula Rocks. I don't really remember what I last reported to you. It's been a long time since I did a video, and the reason is last year I lost all of my files. It was really heartbreaking, and I really took like a hit. My mental health took a massive hit from it. Unfortunately, we still haven't managed to recover those files, and it's now like 6 months later. I was hoping to film some videos earlier in the year and towards the end of last year as well, but then I lost my camera charger, and I only found it like a day before we moved house. So here we are filming the first video. However, I have now lost my battery charger again because it's in a box somewhere packed, but I'm going to take you through the process of moving from one house to another and setting up my little business. So let's go. It's moving day. It's very early in the morning. This is the old studio and now it's empty. Okay, oh, of course the cat's just started crying. We are in the house and it is filthy, if I'm honest. So we've been in the house now for like 2 days. I was hoping to like get on with my workshop ASAP, but the house is just absolutely filthy. Every single inch of it is disgusting. So we've basically just been cleaning before we can get everything in. So we're gonna try and go down to the new workshop now, have a look and see what needs to be done. So I'm gonna show you where it is. So this is the garden, and then down the bottom is this little workshop. This is a koi carp one. It's ridiculously big. I don't know what we're going to do with it, but this is going to be the new Lula Rocks workshop. Oh, you're giving me the key. Okay, let's do this. Hutta. No, it's this way. So at the moment we've dumped some stuff in here. So as you can see, it's got like bare breeze blocks on the wall. So yeah, it needs cleaning. There's massive spiders in here, but all of these shelves are left here. These work benches are all gonna stay here, but it's cute. It's got windows. Can you see these cobwebs? We have a bit of a problem. We already knew that this place had some potential damp from when we had the survey done, but they said like it might just be because it's been vacant for months and it needs heat and windows open and things like that. But we think we found what's going on this wall. Can you see? That is the outside, and there are multiple holes, not necessarily coming all the way through. Does that one? Yeah, oh, one down there as well, coming all the way through. And can you see this white here? That is obviously where the damp is. And I just found up here and the roof, I don't know if you can see up there, that is the outside. Wait, there, that is daylight from outside in the roof. Yeah, so I was starting to regret my decision to have my Lula Rocks studio down here, but there's nowhere else in the house for it to go. We're just gonna do what we can do for now and hope that I don't ruin thousands of pounds worth of stock. Okay, Paul, please tell us the plan.
The plan? Okay, so the plan is...
We've been bedhead.
The plan now is to relocate your studio to the back bedroom.
Okay.
Which would have been my office.
And you're letting me have.
Letting you have. And then I'm going to move into the conservatory with my desk temporarily.
Don't you think it's going to be too hot in there, for you in the conservatory?
I'll be fine. I'll be fine. So the plan today is to get all of the stuff out of the back bedroom.
Maybe we should unpack the clothes. Yeah,
unpack the clothes, maybe put them up. And then once that's done, then move your stock out of here so it doesn't get damp, back into the house, up into the bedroom. Maybe set your desks up upstairs and get it looking a bit more like a studio up there for you.
It sounds tiring.
It's going to be tiring. The whole week's been tiring.
Look how black that is.
Yeah.
Oh, we're clean.
Yeah.
You've got like, did you eat a donut? You've got sugar all over your face. Oh my god, I can't grip it. Can we swap?
It'll make a difference.
It will, because it's my right hand. We've been in here 7 days already, and my room is nowhere near ready to start working. And I'm so exhausted. I'm so very tired. Hoping I'd be kind of up and running and functional for tomorrow, but I don't think that's going to be the case. There's not really enough room in here for all of my machines and then all of my stock. So I'm just gonna have to do the best I can until we can get a builder out to come and look at the workshop. For the moment, I'm just gonna titivate this room the best I can. I've reached a bit of a snag. I've put all the stock up, but like there's just not enough room in here. There is not enough room in here. I just don't know what I'm doing. This is harder than I thought it was gonna be. What do you think? It's been a journey. It has taken almost 2 weeks to get to this stage, but it's done. It's not perfect, but it's cute. So I can't fit everything in here. I'm gonna have to set up some stuff in the small room, but that will be a story for another day. For now, I think I can pack orders, I think. So I'm gonna crack on and pack orders for you lovely lot, because you have been waiting for at least 2 weeks for your orders. So I'm sorry for the delay. I will pack as many as I can, as quickly as I can, wish me luck. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming along with me. I hope you like it, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye.